What's up, bros? Welcome aboard with me, X2, and I'm going on a mod showcase. This mod is Mr. Crayfish Furniture mod, and this is my first mod showcase. And yes, it will be really awkward, but I'm doing it. And so, okay, what it's in this mod? It's a furniture. Don't be silly. Yes, it's a furniture, and you have never mind. What? You have fridge, you have oven, you have cabinet, cabinet, and a chair and a table. Number four on the table. Okay, and you got a bed. It's a normal bed. And you got a bedside drawer, and you got a lamp. Look, it's shiny. Hey, hey, hey! You turn all the time. Oh no, it's look, it's going dark, right? And this is a couch. The couch is just one, but if you add more, yes, it could be more. As much as you want, as you want to be like this, it's as long as you want. Oh, as long as you want. The longest couch ever. And this is a forever alone house, so it's a forever alone. And this looks like a forever alone, so it should be one. Forever alone. And this is a curtain. So it's kind of weird. Let's do it forever lonely. It's so forever alone. So sad, but okay. And yes, what? It's not only this. It's a TV, and it's not from the mall. It's not only this. You got a garden. What? And this is a hedge. It's not normal leaf. It's a hedge. So you can jump on a leaf, and you can't jump on a hedge. And this is the most awesome one. It's mailbox. Yes. So it's going to be really cool if you're playing on a server. So I guess it's a stone pen. Oh, what the hell? You can put a mail. Yes, maybe Herobrine's mail or whatever. And this is a bird bath. You can add a tab too. So okay, this is a tab. I don't know what it does. Turn on! Turn on! Never mind. And you can cook flesh, but this flesh looks like it's a weird flesh. It's a pretty weird flesh. It's not a so okay, oven doesn't need to be powered. So yes, they will cook itself. This is a oh yeah, and I forgot. This is a carpet. Look, it's a carpet. It's a carpet. It's a carpet. And yes, you got a cooked flesh. Cooked flesh. It's a cooked flesh. But where did you get flesh? The flesh. Like the hash living flasher. Okay. And this is an open overhead. I don't know what this thing does. It's open overhead. Never mind. Okay, and what more? I think I already showed them. Oh, this is a cooling pack. I don't know what this thing done, but this is a cooling pack. Hello? Never mind. And I think that's all for this map. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this map, if you like this mod, you can download it. The link is in the description. And you need Forge to download this. And yes, the Forge, it's a little bit hard to download, right? If you want me to make the video, just tell me on the comment. And thanks for watching, guys. Back again, and yes, X Feast, forever alone house.